I'm Nadine Vosloo and welcome to another episode of How To with Tjhoko Paint. Today we are discussing enamel surfaces and how to paint onto those. How do you identify an enamel surface? Firstly, it is usually, not always, a surface that has a very high sheen level. If you are not sure, I would also still recommend to just go through these steps that I'm going to explain as a test to make sure that the preparation is done perfectly. If you are painting on an enamel surface or not sure whether your surface is enamel or not, we need to conduct a scratch test by doing the following steps. First of all, you need to sand a small test area first with a 100 grit piece of sandpaper just to create a roughness on the surface and break that enamel seal. Next, you clean well with your lacquer thinners, allow a 40-minute drying time, paint your first coat, wait 40 minutes, paint your second coat, wait overnight 24 hours and scratch in the center of the area where you've conducted this test. If the paint does not scratch off, you know that your surface can be prepared by just repeating these steps. First sanding lightly, then cleaning with your lacquer thinners and then paint. Remember waiting periods between different steps. If the paint does scratch off, you first need to apply a universal undercoat. But remember, even before the universal undercoat application, to first lightly sand, dust, paint your universal undercoat, wait 4 hours at least. Coastal areas where it's more humid and wet, allow a longer drying time overnight before you start painting onto your universal undercoat. And that's how easy that is. We have plenty inspiration that we freely share. Please go watch more videos on techniques, how-tos, and get inspired and start being creative in your own space. Please like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications.